Subscribe my channel to support me. 8 months ago, I upload video about how USB on-the-go cable work. That time because I saw so many video that gave false information about how to make this one. Now I will show you how to make USB on-the-go cable from unused smartphone data cable. As we know, so many USB data cable for smartphone, and we will make USB on-the-go cable from USB 2.0 Type B smartphone data cable. This is how USB smartphone data cable configuration pin. Now, let's make USB OTG cable. I use my unused smartphone cable because first we will destroy it. I mean, we will open the slip or whatever it is first. Now, let's try to find the fourth pin from smartphone data cable. It's easy to recognize because it's not connected to any cable or another pin. Some smartphone data cable has a long pin, a 4 pin, but on mine it's very short, so I just make it a little bit up and make a canal on the plastic holder. I connected the fourth pin to the negative pin using a solder, of course, and then reconnected or resolder another pin to the previous wire. The last thing is to replace USB 2.0 or 3.0 smartphone cable port to USB female port. There is no special configuration on this. Just connect the positive wire to the positive pin, negative wire to the negative pin, and D plus to D plus pin and D minus to D minus pin. Unfortunately, I can't show you if this DIY USB on-the-go cable is work because I use my smartphone to record this video, but I guarantee you this DIY or homemade USB on-the-go cable is 100% work, no scam, no fake. Actually, I make so many DIY OTG cable from my unused smartphone cable and doing research about this. And all of my homemade OTG cable 100% work. But if you doubt it and you think it can make your smartphone broken or whatever it is, you can just buy it because USB on-the-go cable now is very cheap. My next project is about smartphone HDMI cable, but I don't know when I upload it. So subscribe my channel and press bell notification so you can get notification about my new video.